My name is Maria Cecilia Gloria Nieves. I am 32 years old. I have 4 kids and I am willing to work in abroad because my husband have no job, and I know how to clean inside and outside the house, and I know how to cook simple food, and I know how to wash the dishes, and I know how to washing the clothes and iron them. I know how to take care of the newborn baby, and also the old women or men. And I am honest person, patient and hardworking, and I promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I finish my 2 years contract.